Yo, so I've had another couple of little hours, I mean had a couple of hours to get a little bit done, and yeah, as you can see, I've got some of this bit's done now. I'll get a light on that. My cameraing isn't too great, but I've got that little bit there done. There was a massive gap here. Here there's a massive gap which needed bridging, so that's why it looks a bit messy. And that bit there, some places were a bit messy because I switched the power settings on the welder and forgot about it, and then blew a few holes in it. So yeah, I'm not overly unhappy about that. It's it could be a lot worse, I'll put it that way. Still got that bit there, which is the inner skin for the floor, which is going to be all the way in one piece. There's a tiny bit in there that needs doing. I know MOT inspectors won't see it, but I'll know it's there. Here is my worst fear, was this bit, which you can see is welded in now. Pretty strong. I will have to do something about that hole there. Maybe I'll put a piece in here, and that will deal with that problem. We've got under here, there is a piece that runs down here, which is why there's a hole there, because when I ripped out the spot welds, took the floor pan with it. Gonna have to weld those holes over, or cut it out, cut as square as possible out and weld in a square. We'll deal with that when I get there. There's that bit there that's horrible, but he'll be alright. I'm certainly not going to be going too far, but I'll show you the other side. I thought this was the worst side until I got under this side to see how to do that rear chassis leg. Now, I almost lost. Half the car's gone. That's going to be a bit of a pain. This here should be the skin. As you can see, it's missing. So that's going to be just as much fun as the other side. Lucky me. Yeah, so that's where I'm at now. Stuck. And then we've got all of this to play with. So yeah, another few long days I'd imagine. Got to try and get it done as soon as possible, really. Don't like having the other cars sat outside. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Catch you next